Hi folks, Dr. Hopewell here. Just a quick how-to tutorial on the Research and Review Level Determination Form for IRB. This will apply both to Dr. Lynn's class and to mine. We wanted to give you a few items to look at and make sure that you did these correctly so that we can have the most smooth and efficient process possible. So you will download this form that you see here in front of you. You'll download that out of your content area, and your team should fill this out using this template. You'll notice here, project title. That's going to be the title of your study, simply. Principal investigator. Now, that needs to be all of our names. So if you're in Dr. Lynn's class, this should say Dr. Vicki Lynn. Then over here, you're going to go ahead and add your names. So add them. Don't replace mine. Leave mine there, leave Dr. Lynn's there, and add your names. Same with the email. Students will add their email addresses in addition to mine. Same with the telephone number. Add yours. You don't need to change any of these items here. Okay? You will skip down to this section. Now this is an extremely important section. Briefly describe the purpose of the project and the methods of data collection. I've begun your sentences here for you, and there's 3 sections to this. The purpose of this study is to, the research questions are, and data collection methods will include. Now, I would like you to be succinct here. You can draw this information from your methodology section and from your introduction section, so you've already done this work. You simply need to pare it down, edit it down for the purposes of this form. So, very succinctly, the purpose of the study is to, you'll fill that in. The research questions are, you'll fill that in. And the data collection methods are, you will fill that in. Don't need to be fancy on this, don't need to be long and long-winded. You're just simply providing enough information for the IRB officer to understand what your study is intending to do, what the research questions are, and the specific data collection methods that you will be using. Okay, so what they're looking for, and of course no one in this class or Dr. Lynn's class will have to face this, but what they're looking for is things like what data collection methods will be used. Will you be drawing blood? Okay, now that has a whole bunch of implications to go with it. So that's going to tip the IRB agent off that they're going to need to investigate certain things that have to do with blood draw. Now, of course, we're not doing that, but you get my point. They're looking for enough information to let them know what kind of study will be conducted. All right? Once you fill that in, you'll move to section 1A. Don't touch any of these checkboxes. Read through them, okay? Read through, but I've already pre-filled out the yes, the no, and the no. And you'll want to read through those together and understand how we're answering those, okay? Skip down here. Here you'll want to explain any of the no answers from this section up here, okay? And that's where the information and data collected from the study will be used to improve our instruction in our classrooms. Results will be shared only with personnel employed by our individual school districts and BHSU professors. Read that because you're agreeing to it, okay? For the most part, that's where all of the people in this class are going to be. Now, if you have a CRP, a thesis, a regional national presentation, you will be contacted by Dr. Lynn or myself, and you will not use this form. So if you're listening to this and you're thinking, no, I'm doing a little more, we'll contact you. There's a different form to fill out, and we'll move on from there. Okay? Any questions, be sure to let us know. Hopefully this template will make it a smooth process for you, and you'll know exactly what to do to fill it out. You'll save this and you'll upload it to your group Dropbox for your team, and we'll move on from there.